It takes less than 2 minutes to clone your voice for your voice AI agent if you are a business owner who wants the agent to pick up calls with your personal voice, or if you are building a personal assistant that will talk instead of you with also your voice. I will show you how. I'm using LiveKit for orchestration, and here where we create the text-to-speech, we can pass the voice ID. So we need the voice ID of our cloned voice. For the text-to-speech, I'm using Cartesia, and when we open the Cartesia playground, we go to the voice, to the instant clone, and here we can record a sample which will then create a clone for us. Hi, I need an appointment for tomorrow for an oil replacement, technical inspection and tire pressure check. So we stop and then we select to 10 seconds of a sample audio. So I see there is a sound in this sample and I just select it and I give it a name. The language is English, and then we save it, we clone it. Okay, after we cloned, we get the sidebar where we can copy the ID, and my agent is using the database for configuration, so we just open its config and set this voice ID into the database, and after the restart, it will pick up this voice.
Hi, you have called the car service. How can I help?
Hi, what kind of services do you offer?
We offer bodywork and painting, brakes, electrics and electronics, oil changes and inspections, tire replacement, tires and vulcanization, and vehicle mechanics.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the voice clone configured in time while you were watching this video. I hope this video was useful, so follow this channel for more.